Okay, hello dear friends. The next one is, what is the difference between an axiom and any other property? Axiom in Chinese is 公理, it's universal truth. Axiom. And property is something you assume that has been assumed and has been proved to be right. It's not universally true by existence. This one is truth. A equal to A and then A equal to A. Oneself is oneself. And property, something like A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C equal to A plus C plus B equal to B plus A plus C equal to B plus C plus A equal to C plus A plus B equal to C plus B plus A. Something like this, that you can switch the space because it's addition. Any way you switch the space, the quantity does not change. You can prove this to be right by a logical and rational logical way of slowly bring this up to your conclusion. Axiom, you do not need to prove. And property is an assumption that is true but proved to be true. It's provable truth. Do I make sense? Thank you. Okay, so let's see this one. Name each polynomial by degree and by number of terms. If it is not a polynomial, tell us why it is not. So by its degree, by the number of terms. So let's do it. The first one, I will write it larger so that you can see clearly. Okay. The first one, I copy the problem. X to the power of 2x squared y minus 5. So we will do, here is the degree. And here is number of terms. Can you see it? Okay, so x to the power of 2 and another variable y to the power of 1. 2 plus 1, so degree is 3. And the terms, 1 term and 2 terms. So 2 terms. What do we call it? We call it cubic binomial. If you have learned Latin, so it becomes easy. If you have not learned Latin, like me, myself, I check dictionary for it. And the math concept, you know, is that this is 3, degree of 3. Okay, number 2. X squared divided by y minus 5. Degree and terms, there are 2 terms, but there is no degree. Y in polynomial, when we measure the degree, the variable cannot be cannot have division. The variable cannot be on the division part. On the denominator, numerator, denominator, could not be on the denominator. So this one is not. There is term, but it is not polynomial. Okay, the third one, there is no degree. The degree does not fit into the description. The third one, x squared and square root of y minus 5. Let's see how many degree. This is 2 degree and this is half degree. No. When the variable is the square root of something is under the function, under the operation of finding square root, this does not work. So it's not a polynomial. Number 4, x square y square minus square root of 5. Here, square root of 5, there is a square root, but it does not matter. This is a real number. This is a real number, and it comes out a real number. And although it's irrational number, it's a real number. So what we concern about is the degree of the variables. So x, the variable of x is to the 2 degree, and the degree of y is 2. 2 plus 2 is, so the degree is for one item, one term, two terms. So what do we call it? This is to the degree of 4 and 2 items. So it's a binomial, and here we call it Q-U-A-R-T-I-C, quartic binomial. Yes, it's not that complicated when you translate into only number, because Latin may not be part of your system. Number 5, let me copy the problem. Number 5, 5, 4 square r square s to the power of 3 cube. So 4 square, 4 is not a variable, is a number, is a real number. So we do not count this. We only count the variables r and s. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the degree is 5. And how many items? Between them, there is no addition in between. So they are multiplication in between, so it's totally a 1 item. So it's a monomial, and to the degree of 5 is quintic monomial. Okay? Number 6, it's 6 to the power x squared plus 7x minus 5. Let's see the degree. Here we have 1, 2, 3 terms, right? We already know the 3 terms. And how many degree? We count on the leading variable. The leading variable is degree to the 2. So it's 2 degree. And what do we call 2 degree? It's quadratic trinomial. I'm sorry, I'm not very familiar with it because I learned mathematics in Chinese. 所以这个是2次3元2次方程 3 terms to the degree of 2. Okay, makes sense? So quadratic trinomial. Okay, this one might be way too easy for you. So we carry out the indicated operation and simplify. I will just copy this. It might be a waste of your time. The first one, 13 minus 5 plus 1 equal to 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Number 2, 40 divided by 10 times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. Number 3, 24 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 1. So first we need to do the operation of multiplication and division. So this is 4. 24 minus 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 equal to 21. Number 4, 3x plus 7 times x minus 8. So this we will do 3x squared plus 7x minus 28x minus 56, and then we combine like terms. 3x squared minus 17x minus 56. This is the answer. Okay, number 5. Are we in the right order? Number 4, number 5. Yes, we are. 5 minus 3x minus 7 中括弧 parenthesis 2x minus 6. Okay, we do step by step. So we take care of the small parentheses, round parentheses, and then the rigid parentheses. 5 minus 3 times x minus 7 14x 6 7 42加42 equal 5 minus, and this one we will do it step by step, okay, not in a rush. Negative 13x plus 42 equal 5 minus makes plus 39x and minus 23得6 31 12 126. Okay, the final answer is 39x minus 1 2 1. Okay, so we are done with this exercise. Just to remember the order of operation. So there was the saying of Padma or something, but once you know that parenthesis first and then multiplication, division, and then addition, subtraction. I never, because I learned mathematics in Chinese, so the Padma or something, it just doesn't work for me. Okay, this one, evaluate the following expressions for x equal to 5 and x equal to negative 4. So first we copy this problem, the problem number 1. 3, why do I write 3? Number 1, 3x minus 8 when x equal to 5, 3 5 15减8, we get 15 minus 8 equal to 7. When x equal to negative 4, we get to negative 12 minus 8 equal negative 20. Number 2, 2x minus 10 absolute value. So x equal to 5, we get to 10 minus 10 equal to 0. X equal to negative 4, we get to negative 8 minus 10 equal negative 18. The absolute value and the result is 18. Number 3, 3x squared minus 2 x plus 11. X equal to 5, we get 3乘以5 25减去2乘以5加11等于75减10加11等于，来横着写，65加11等于76。When x equal to -4, we get 3 times 3×4=16减去2 times -4 plus 11 equal to 48 plus 8 plus 11 equal to 56 plus 11, 56, 67. So that's the result.